Hey, what's up guys, it's Max, and today I'm gonna be putting on the power armor. So let's get into this. So guys, this is a suit of armor. So we got leg pieces, more leg pieces, calf pieces, feet. This is all made out of EVA foam and hot glue and spray paint. I'm sure you guys can do the same thing. Arm pieces, gauntlets. So yeah, we're gonna do a quick time lapse of me putting it on. Super time lapse, woo!
My hair okay?
So yeah guys, this is my power armor, built back 2 years ago. It's made completely out of foam, except for the helmet, which I bought from Bethesda when it came out, then painted it to look like the Nuka version of the T16 armor. But yeah, this is took about 4 months to complete. I'm very happy with the result, and yeah, thanks for watching guys. Like and subscribe. You better like and subscribe, or else I'm gonna come to your house with my power armor and I'm gonna turn you guys into goo with my plasma pistol.